Mr. D ló orúkọ mi rí, kò dá sí kéèsì mi rí. Láàrin èmi àti yín, mentioning that name alongside Iyabo Ojo's name, it is not good for that man's image. It is not good. Let's be sincere. That was the reason I apologized. If you watch my yesterday's show, I said, my uncle, please forgive me if I'm going to offend you with what I'm going to say. And I said, allegedly, go and watch that movie. Because ẹni tó bá ní career kò gbọdọ̀ bárò àwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àtàwọn weapon kan.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Lizzy Anjorin sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Dino Melaye ó sọ wípé òun yóò sùn Lizzy Anjorin sí kóòtù lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ó jẹyọ nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Dino Melaye. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èyí tó kù.
Gbọdọ̀ bá irú wọn sùn. Mr. D, I saw your comments. I saw your write-up, ceasefire. You said some faceless bloggers, they carry something that we should not carry it. Uncle, let me be sincere with you. You've never mentioned my name, Uncle. I have no right to mention your name. I'm a business tycoon. I'm a very smart, well-educated lady with wisdom. I know what it takes to be where you are. I know that building career politically, it is not cheap. But let me be sincere with you. The mistake you made, my husband also did the same thing. Mistake you made is knowing that failed actress. Remember, she was the one that released the audio that your name was being mentioned. Anything that failed actress released on this cyberspace becomes a weapon. If you want to go to court, you can go ahead on that. But I will never support your name to be mentioned wherever they mention the failed actress name. Either you go to court on that or you send a ceasefire letter. It does not make sense for anybody to mention your name with that failed actress. And that was the reason I said sorry and forgive me if I offended you. She was the one that mentioned your name. And let that serve as a lesson that if you want to be with any woman, make sure they have career and they have money. Mr.